Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Yota's Hot Mess Vlogmas. I am not actually doing Vlogmas this year because, well, my mom just passed away, as many of you know, but the videos that I plan to do the rest of this month will be a Vlogmas style video for you guys. I've had a lot of you messaging me and telling me you really missed my Vlogmas. Many of you did not know about my mom passing away, and that's not what this video is about. But I'm back and I'm gonna do my best, you guys, to entertain and, you know, get back into the groove and just do all the things I've always done, because that's what my mom would want. But I did want to hop on here and say hi to everybody and thank you all. So many of you who reached out to me to send your condolences, who sent cards, who sent flowers. Dee Dee Bean sent flowers to the funeral home. So sweet. This beautiful necklace that I'm wearing here, this gold heart pendant with my mom's initials that was sent to me by the Bad Girls. I'm just really not myself. I'm trying to get back to myself, and I spoke with Autumn today and she helped me out a lot, because she was like, you just have to figure out your new normal and give yourself time, because all I want to do is cry and sleep. But anyway, I just went to dinner with my son, my oldest son. It's his birthday tomorrow, and his little girls. So we went to dinner, and that really helped my feelings a lot. And I'm excited to be filming this video. Like I said, I'm not really myself, but I'll be back. I'll get there. And I appreciate all the prayers, all the good wishes, all the messages. You guys, I am so humbled and just, I can't believe how many of you have reached out to me and sent me your condolences and prayers and good wishes. And I really appreciate all of you more than I can ever tell you. Thank you all so much. So anyway, you guys, I'll talk more about my mom in another video, but right now, let's just do something fun. So we're gonna do a Vlogmas style video, and I am going to be baking some cookies, some Toll House cookies. They were always my favorites. And I'm gonna have my trusty assistant, Keith. Actually, I'm probably more the assistant. But anyway, guys, let's just all say a little prayer that I don't burn down the kitchen, okay? So I love the cooking videos that Rakita has put out, and David. I love videos like that, even though I'm not a cook. But we're gonna make some cookies. It's the Christmas season, and that's what we do at Christmas. We bake cookies. So without further ado, let's get started. For today's video, and my first Hot Mess Vlogmas video, we're going to be cooking some Toll House cookies. So this episode would be called Cooking with Keith and Yota. Yes, and we got this recipe right off the back of the Toll House recipe chocolate morsels. So we have the ingredients. I will call them out and Keith will show you what we have. Hello. Okay, so we have 2 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. So we already have it measured out.
Just like a cooking show.
Yep, just like a cooking show. A teaspoon of baking soda. There we go. A teaspoon of salt. 1 cup, 2 sticks of butter softened. Right there. Okay, so, and then we have 3/4 cup granulated sugar, and we have 3/4 cup packed brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, there we go, 2 large eggs, and 2 cups of Nestle Toll House semi-sweet chocolate morsels, and some chopped nuts. All right, so we're gonna start making the cookies. And I haven't, well, the last time I made these, they were a disaster. Remember that? Mm-hmm. And then Keith went to the store, got all the ingredients, and he made the cookies, and they were fabulous. And he put them on Facebook for the whole world to see. So I think really you're the cook. I'm the assistant. All right, so we're gonna get started. All right, so we preheated the oven, 375, and in a small bowl, we will combine, yes, the flour. That looks as, okay, yeah, need a bigger bowl, maybe not that small. All right. I'm so glad we're filming again, you guys. How about that middle one? All right, so in a small bowl, combine flour, the baking soda, and salt. Okay, so we combine all that. Now in a large mixing bowl, oh, he's gonna give it a swirl. Show them as you give it a swirl with the sifter. I was gonna say swifter. Is that a sifter?
No, it's a whisk.
Oh. Okay, I'm not really up on kitchen speak, okay? Yeah, with a whisk. It's a sifter too, isn't it?
No.
It's a sifter.
No.
Okay, whatever. Okay, so he has whisked it around. There we go. Now, in a large mixing bowl, we will beat the butter. Beat the butter. Granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract until creamy. The butter, do we beat that first?
No.
Okay, just all together. All right. Okay, all right. Brown sugar. Okay, you already got that. Okay, so now, and vanilla extract. You forgot the vanilla extract. You know, sometimes I just feel like recipes have too many steps and we don't really have to follow them. But Keith is a firm believer in following every step. I mean, would we really be able to tell a difference if we didn't put that teaspoon of vanilla extract in there? I don't think so. All right, let's sift it around. You beat that good. And then you gradually add the morsels.
No.
What?
You have to add the eggs.
Oh, the eggs. I think eggs might be a necessary step. What do you think, Keith?
Mm-hmm.
You think? Okay. Okay. We have the eggs. Okay, so now we beat all of that in the flour mixture, okay? Right?
We double check and make sure. No, you have to put the flour mixture into that.
Oh, well, okay, whatever. Yes, that's what I meant. Here, let me hold it. Let me hold the bowl. Other mixture, and Keith is beating it, and he's slinging cookie dough everywhere. Okay. I don't know if they do that on cooking shows. Then beat in the morsels and nuts, chocolate morsels. Yep. There you go. Keep beating, Keith.
No, you don't beat it. You stir it down.
Oh. This? With this?
Yeah.
No. Okay, we don't beat it, we stir. Is that what it says?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
Otherwise, all the morsels will get squished.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. He's a stickler for rules. I, on the other hand, am not. Right, Keith?
Nope. Okay, press the chips in there.
Okay. Nuts.
Mhm.
These have always been my favorite holiday cookies with a glass of milk. Keith doesn't drink milk. What are you going to drink with your cookies?
Beer.
Yeah. All of them? Okay. There we go. All right, keep stirring, Keith. We have 2 of these cookie sheets with these silicone non-stick, I don't know what they're called, but anyway. And we love these. We got them from Amazon. I will link them below. We have 3 of them, and they fit all of our cooking sheets. And you don't have to grease anything. Just stir it up good, Keith. Drop onto an ungreased baking sheet by rounded teaspoon. Bake 9 to 11 minutes until golden brown. Cool on a baking sheet for 2 minutes. Yeah. Okay. I need a spoon.
Get 2 spoons.
Yeah. So we're just putting them on the cookie sheet, and I'll show you. We're going to bake them and try them. We're going to bake them, and then we're going to try them out. Now, Keith's mom, every year at Christmas, even now, I always look forward to it because she always makes lots of cookies, like different kinds, and sends everybody in the family a big tin of cookies and candy. So that's something that she does. Ooh, that one might be too big. Okay.
You have to space them so that they don't squish into each other when they're cooking.
Okay. Do you have any kind of a Christmas tradition that you want to share that you guys did growing up?
No, you just did.
What? Your mom making cookies?
Yeah.
She made them when you were growing up too?
Mm-hmm.
We just, I don't know, grew up in a restaurant. We didn't do this type of thing, but it's fun. I think we should put one right there. Okay, show them the cookies before we bake them. Nice close-up view. Look at those yummy Toll House cookies. Ooh, okay. All right, we're gonna work on the second tray, and we'll be back when these bake and show you what they look like.
Alexa, set a cookie timer for 10 minutes.
Cookie timer, 10 minutes, starting now.
Do they look done?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead and take out the first batch. Ooh. All right, so there's the next batch going in. This is the second batch baking. And when these other ones cool off, we will try them out and put them on my little happy holiday plate. All right, guys, so the cookies are finished. Well, there's 2 batches still on the rack, but here they are, and if I turn them over, I'll spill them. I'm so excited, Keith. We get to taste the rewards of our work. Okay, so let's taste. Mmm. Yummy. You like them?
Mm-hmm.
I think he's camera shy. Mmm. These are perfect. Look, Keith. These are perfect. All right. I've got some milk. He's got some beer. Cheers.
Cheers.
To Christmas cookies.
Merry Christmas.